Hey guys, Nolan here. Featured hike for May 11th. We are here at Woodend. You just gotta do any kilometer. So we're gonna head in here, muster up, do some trail, get around a kilometer. Pretty simple. Now I will say you can start from any point in Woodend. I'm just starting from here because I don't want to drive down that long driveway part because it's just really bumpy and crap. But yeah, it's probably easier from the parking lot right in front of the living campus there because you can kind of do a nice loop. You can also come up this side trail, I guess. Start down there if you're coming from like Niagara College. Get some extra in, but yeah. And we can turn around. Okay, I'm not gonna show you me just walking back, but I'm gonna get just over a kilometer. You'll see at the beginning of this video when I post the route thing. But yeah, pretty simple one, but feel free to do more than a kilometer. You just gotta do at least a kilometer at Woodend, to complete the featured hike. So yeah, be safe, enjoy, bye-bye.